Welcome back, Crammers. Write down the value of m given that 3 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 5 is equal to 3 to the power of m. Now, when dealing with indices and they have the same base, which here is 3, we simply add the indices. So we have 3 to the power of 4 plus 5 is equal to 3 to the power of m. And since we only have to find m, we can only focus on this equation. So we have 4 plus 5 is equal to m. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Write down the value of n given that 5 cubed whole to the power of 7 is equal to 5 to the power of n. Now, powers inside the bracket are multiplied with the powers outside the bracket. So we have 5 to the power of 3 times 7 is equal to 5 to the power of n. Since we only have to find n, we focus on this equation. So we have 3 times 7 is equal to n, and 3 times 7 is 21. Find the value of p given that 7 to the power of 8 times 7 to the power of 2 divided by 7 to the power of p is equal to 7 to the power of 6. As said before, when we multiply, we add, but when we divide, we subtract. So we have 7 to the power of 8 times 7 to the power of 2, so that's plus 2, divided by 7 to the power of p, so that's negative p, is equal to 7 to the power of 6. Since we only have to find p, let's focus on this equation here. We have 8 plus 2 minus p is equal to 6. We can bring p to the other side and combine this. So we have 10 minus 6 is equal to p. So we finally have p is equal to 4. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.